outcome lens, confidence plus empathy daw. Kailangan daw is greater than yung empathy and confidence compared to macho or mahinhin stereotypes. I disagree pa din, though I kind of agree a little bit, pero majority I disagree kasi, yeah, you need to have empathy, pero you need to establish yung role. Kasi parang sinasabi ng book na to is kailangan nating embrace kung ano yung preferred gender natin. Hindi eh. There's only two type of genders. You have male and a female. Yun lang. There's nothing in between. Siguro mababash ako dito, pero yun yung paniniwala ko. I respect yung opinion iba, so respect my opinion. So there's only two type of genders, male or female. And yeah, there's like a stereotype regarding doon. And they're saying na kailangan i-break natin yung stigma na yun. Pero hindi, some stigma are good. Especially sa mga stereotyping. Kasi this just proves na we're still, living our values. And hindi talaga lahat ng bagay is pwedeng gawin ng babae at hindi lahat ng bagay pwedeng gawin ng lalaki. So, yun yung paniniwala ko dito.